All right, let's go ahead and get into this. In win for crypto stakers, IRS offers refund on untraded token rewards. A decision to refund taxes paid on staking rewards could have large implications for how proof of stake miners and stakers are taxed in the future. A decision to refund a Nashville couple taxes related to unsold Tezos tokens is set to clarify the IRS tax treatment of staked cryptocurrency. In a win for cryptocurrency stakers and miners, the IRS has offered to refund the couple taxes paid on rewards gained but not redeemed from staking on the Tezos blockchain, according to people familiar with the matter. Official court filings were made public on Thursday, indicating that a bench trial is set for March 2023, unless the case is settled following the conclusion of the discovery process in mid-March of this year. In May of 2021, Joshua and Jessica Jarrett requested a refund of $3,293 of income tax paid in 2019 for the receipt of 8,876 Tezos tokens, according to a legal complaint filed on May 26, 2021 with the U.S. District Court for the Middle District of Tennessee. The couple also sought a $500 increase in tax credits for lost income. Tokens attained through proof of stake protocols are taxpayer created property and should not be taxed until sold or exchanged, the Jarretts argued. The complaint claims that nothing under United States law or IRS code and regulations allows for taxpayer created property to be taxed as income. Here's the crazy part and the ramifications that we need to take into consideration as miners. Is not dissimilar from mining. If we're talking about taxpayer created property to be taxed as income. But right now, and even last year, I think last year, luckily, it's way worse this year, but just for like 3 months of mining or something, they wanted like $7,000 in just income for mining from my particular farm, which is smaller at the time. So, and then I had a whole bunch of write-offs and whatever. But this is interesting because staking, in my humble opinion, is not dissimilar from mining. They're talking about generating new tokens. They're creating new tokens, taxpayer created property. If this actually sticks, I think you have to relook at how they're taxing, in the United States specifically, on how they're taxing income from mining cryptocurrency. That's just how I see it. The decision to offer a refund, which was rejected by the plaintiffs, has potentially large implications for how proof of stake miners and stakers are taxed in the future. A representative from the IRS declined to comment, and the agency has not yet published any formal policy statement, which is what the Jarretts are seeking in this case. An offer of settlement is not the same as a binding precedent, according to tax and public policy excerpts. So we also have to give a huge shout out to this couple for standing strong, not just accepting the refund and moving on, but forcing a decision. And clearly the IRS is not ready to make this decision, probably because of all of the changes surrounding cryptocurrency regulation as it sits. But this is a big deal, and I think it's also a big deal for miners, and we need to pay attention to it. And at some point, the miners are going to have to say, yo, wait a second. Wait a second. If staking functions in this form, or whatever, then mining should function in this form as well. If we're specifically talking about the taxpayer created property, the generated tokens from the staking process or the mining process, right? And that's how I feel about it. It's a little disappointing from the miner's perspective, as basically I feel like it should be considered essentially the same thing. Another note about this, of course, is it does sound like your best bet for generating additional income on your mining rewards would be to take it and stake it. Take it and stake it. There you go. So, I don't know. Not financial advice. It just seems like that would be a prudent move. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Morning Show every Monday through Friday, 7:45 a.m. Pacific and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You can check out more clips here, or if you're interested in checking out the entire live show, you can check that out down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.